Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Ever wished you could remind yourself about something important without forgetting? Well, today I'll show you 3 easy ways to schedule reminders so you never miss an important date again. Step 1. Email yourself a simple reminder. Best if you want a quick note in your inbox. Open your email app, Gmail, Outlook, etc. Click Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type your own email address. In the subject, write something clear. Reminder, Jack's Adventure Part 2. Type in the details in the body of the email, such as publish on June 4th, prepare on June 2nd. Click Send, and your reminder will land in your inbox. Step 2. Schedule an email reminder, Gmail and Outlook users. Perfect for setting reminders in advance. Follow the same steps as before, but don't click Send yet. Instead, click the small arrow next to Send, Gmail, or Delay Delivery, Outlook. Choose June 2nd for the reminder. Click Schedule Send, and it'll automatically arrive at the right time. Step 3. Use your calendar app for pop-up alerts. Great if you want an automatic notification on your phone or computer. Open your calendar app, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or your phone's built-in app. Click Create Event or Add Reminder. Title it Reminder Next Chapter on June 4th. Set the date a couple of days before the event. And that's it. Now you'll never miss an important deadline or event. Try it out today and stay ahead of your schedule like a pro.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.